Yo, YouTube, what the fucking thing's going on with y'all boys? I'm not sure if my camera's recording or not, but fuck it. Anyways, what's up with y'all boys? I'm on my way to a little get together. What's it called? A get together with some homies, you know, and talk about God. But yeah, anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. I appreciate all of you for clicking on my video and watching, even if it's just 10 seconds, you know. I am recording on my GoPro, as y'all can tell by the title. What's it called? Bro, honestly, I need to like write down some topics to talk about, because as soon as I hit that record button, boom, like I can't talk for shit. I don't know what I'm talking about, you know. And as soon as I hit on what's it called to like stop it, bro, I just get like all these fucking ideas, bro. I don't know if that happens to y'all, if y'all do YouTube and that, but yeah, I'm gonna have to start taking like notes so I can know what to talk about, you know. Anyways, are you guys excited for Black Ops 6? If y'all do play Call of Duty, that shit comes out tomorrow. But honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna get it as soon as it comes out. Well, tomorrow, basically. I'm gonna just wait for like a month or two, see how it is, you know. Because I don't want to spend 70 bucks on a bullshit ass game. Even though the beta was good, you know, but we'll see, bro. Oh, especially zombies, bro. I want to know how zombies is gonna be. You know, it looked pretty whack, and like from what I've seen, but you know, just playing the game's like totally different, you know. Yeah, like I said, you know, now I don't know what to talk about, bro. Shit. Matter of fact, let me see this. Oh shit. Oh look, another charger, bro. Hey, where y'all from, man? Put it down in the comments. I wanna know like what type of audience I'm like getting, you know. Like I wanna know if y'all live like here in San Diego with me, or like in Cali. I know one of you guys, I mean, someone commented and said that they were from, actually I don't even know, bro, but they were outside the US. And I was like, bro, what the fuck? That's crazy. It's getting kind of cold, bro. Let me turn this off. Anyways, bro, I need to like log in, you know. I just turned 23 like 2 weeks ago, bro, and I feel like I'm failing in life, you know. I'm not doing shit, bro. I got no job. I'm going to school twice a week. I mean, I'm going to school twice a week. And honestly, bro, I don't feel like I'm paying enough attention, you know, to like be a mechanic. Like, I'm not like really into it, you know. I need to find like my passion or something. And yeah, man, start applying to more jobs, you know. Hopefully I go to the interviews so they actually get me, instead of just wasting my fucking gas and my time, bro. I don't know to like how many interviews I've been in. They just waste my fucking time, bro. Especially those fucking security companies that on the job fucking description or that thing, they say, oh, like, you don't need a guard card to like work with us, you know, like we'll get you one. And as soon as you go there to the interview, they're like, oh, first thing they ask you, do you have a guard card? Like, bro, like, what the fuck? But yeah, I think I'm gonna have an interview either this week or next week for Best Buy. I just had one like 2 weeks ago, and you know, they just told me that they hired someone else. So they told me to, if I wanted to like go do this interview at another location, I was like, bro, fuck it, why not? You know, I need some money. Need some money, bruh. I know I'm not consistent with the YouTube videos, you know. Honestly, bro, I'm just lazy as hell, bro. I need to work on that. I need to go to the gym, you know. Like I said, bro, I need to lock in life. I used to feel way better before, you know, because I was actually like, I actually had a job, you know. I went to the gym, even though like probably what, like 2 or 3 times a week. Better than right now for sure. I don't even go step outside, bro. Step outside the crib. But anyways, I'm about to pull up on these boys. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Damn, look at this fucking traffic. Well, I mean, it's not really traffic, you know, it's fucking movies, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video. I mean, not end the video, but the clip, you know, like in a bit. I'm gonna just show y'all guys a little more, you know, before I cut it. Oh shit, son. Hey man, do y'all like roller coasters, bro? I fucking love them. Oh shit, wrong one. It's over here. Alright, I guess y'all letting me go. Yo, chat, I'm back. I just finished up talking with the bros, you know. Now I'm on my way home. Let's fucking go, bruh. Damn, bro, I can't see shit. I'm about to hop on the motherfucking freeway. Yo, chat, how y'all doing right now, man? I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but anyways, guys, I don't know what I was talking about, like, before I got to the, with my boys, you know. I don't know what I was talking about, but, I'm just gonna, you know, say what I'm feeling right now. Like, I don't know if I said this before, but I feel like I'm not doing enough right now in life. But, you know, I know she's gonna get better, you know. Can't possibly get any worse, you know. I'm not doing shit, bro. I'm being lazy, you know, looking for jobs. And motherfuckers don't even hire, bro. Like, I don't know why they put the, I don't know why they even put like a application now if they don't even hire, you know. But yeah, man, it's time to lock the fuck in, you know. Fucking 2024 is about to end like in less than 2 months. I mean, we're on, yeah, 2 months. I know, like, to be at my like full potential, I need to like obviously have a job, go to the gym. I think also I'm gonna make a separate video for this, but long story short, I am kind of addicted to weed, especially smoking carts. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video talking about that. But yeah, man, that's something else that I've been like struggling with, you know. Like, as soon as I get like a couple money, you know, like 20 bucks or something like that, I just go to the dispensary, bro, and just spend that shit like that, you know. Like, I gotta break that fucking habit, bro, that fucking addiction, you know. It's like fucking me up too. But yeah, I'm gonna get into all that like in a separate video. Yeah, man, what else can I talk about? Let me know if you guys like this GoPro POVs, you know. I want to start doing them in the day too, so you guys can see a bit more, because I'm not sure you guys can even see right now. But yeah, I'm planning on doing like more GoPro videos during the day, you know. I'm just gonna like what's it called, like not embarrassed, but I'm like all like, I feel like people are looking at me, you know, like, because my windows are a bit tinted. They're not like super tinted like that you can't see, but bro, I'm just talking straight out of my ass right now. I can't even make sense. Holy shit. But yeah, the reason I'm not doing like GoPro videos during the days, because I feel like people are looking at me, you know, and that's something else I gotta work on. It's like not giving a fuck if people are looking at me. Like if this guy right now, he was looking at me like shit, like if I were, I don't know, bro, I think y'all understand, you know. That's also something I need to work on, is my communication skills and my pronunciation, for sure. Cause bro, sometimes I can't talk for shit, as y'all can probably tell, you know. But anyways, I'm heading home right now. Also, I don't really like, I would love to vlog, but I don't want to be like, again, bro, like I'll feel like what's it called, I'll just feel weird like holding a fucking camera in public, you know. But that's just something that you get used to like over the time. I know I'll probably say this like in every single video, but if y'all live like in San Diego or like near San Diego, let me know down in the comments, or like hit me up on Instagram or something, you know. Like I wanna be with like more people that wanna do this, you know, like YouTube or like social media stuff. Even though I'm not like always on this, I'm not like, if you guys see my upload schedules, like bro, like what is that shit? I upload consistently for like a week, and then I goes for like 3 months, bro. It's just cause I don't know, I don't really go outside the house, you know. I don't really talk to no one. I don't know what to do, you know. And even when people do invite me out, I'm like, nah, I don't want to go. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, bro, but you know, I need to fix that shit. I need to work on that. I kind of want to like record a video too, like when I'm at class, you know. But if I'm being honest, I'm not really hands-on, bro. I'm just standing there watching. And that's something else I gotta work on, you know, my participation skills in class. I'm just not like, I just need to be like more out there, you know, not be like hella secluded and shit. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of the video, you know. About to be home in like 3 minutes. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. Peace.